today's
presentation, we,
will discuss
about latest
international innovation in
the field,
of science.
quantum computing is a type of computation that harnesses the collective properties of quantum state such as superposition, interference and entanglement to perform calculations. The device that performs quantum computations are known as quantum computers.
quantum computing began in 1980 when physicist Paul Benioff proposed a quantum mechanical model of the Turing machine. There are several types of quantum computers, also known as quantum computing systems, including the quantum circuit model, quantum Turing machine, a diabatic quantum computer, one-way quantum computer, and various quantum cellular automata. The most widely used model is the quantum circuit, based on the quantum bit or qubit, which is somewhat analogous to the bit in classical computation. A blockchain is a growing list of records, called blocks, that are linked together using cryptography. A blockchain was popularized by a person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008 to serve as the public transaction record of the cryptocurrency Bitcoin, based on work by Stuart Haber, V. Scott Sternetta, and Dave Bayer. The identity of Satoshi Nakamoto remains unknown to date.
The discovery of blockchain for Bitcoin made it the first digital currency to solve the double spending problem without the need of a trusted authority or central server. The Bitcoin design has inspired other applications and blockchains that are readable by the public and are widely used by cryptocurrencies. The blockchain is considered a type of payment rail. Private blockchains have been offered for business use.
Computer security, cyber security, or IT security is the protection of computer systems and networks from information disclosure, theft, or for damage to their hardware, software, or electronic data, as well as from disruption or misdirection of services they provide. The field is becoming gradually significant due to the continuously expanding reliance on the computer systems, the internet, and the wireless network standards such as Bluetooth and Wi Fi, and due to the growth of smart devices including smartphones, televisions, etc.
Cybersecurity proper began in 1972 with a research project on ARPANET, the Advanced Research Project Agency Network. There are several types of cybersecurity, including network security, application security, cloud security, and operational security. Artificial intelligence is intelligence demonstrated by machine as opposed to natural intelligence displayed by animals including humans. Artificial intelligence include advanced web search engines like Google, recommendation systems used by YouTube, Amazon and Netflix, understanding human speech such as Siri and Alexa, self-driving cars like Tesla, automated decision making at the highest level in strategic game systems such as chess and Go.
AI was coined in 1956 at a conference at Dartmouth College in Hanover, New Hampshire. The traditional goals of AI research include reasoning, knowledge, representation, planning, learning, natural language processing, perception, and ability to move and manipulate objects.
Automotive manufacturers, technology firms, and research groups are exploring AI technologies to develop automated vehicles for use in commercial as well as personal transportation. Such vehicles are based on a variety of sensors such as GPS, cameras, and radar. AI also makes trucks platooning possible, the link of several heavy goods vehicles HGV within slight distance of each other, allowing them to automatically or simultaneously accelerate or brake.
This feature will help cars, trains, ships, and aeroplanes to function autonomously and make traffic flows smoother. First AI vehicle was the Stanford cart, which was built in 1961. It could navigate around obstacles using cameras and an early version of artificial intelligence by the early 70s. Augmented reality, that is AR, is an interactive experience of a real world environment where the objects that reside in the real world are enhanced by computer generated perceptual information, sometimes across multiple sensory modalities. AI can be defined as a system that incorporates three basic features: a combination of real and virtual worlds, real time interaction, and accurate 3D registration of virtual and real objects.
AR was first achieved to some extent by a cinematographer called Morton Heilig in 1957. He invented the sensorama, which delivered visuals, sounds, vibration, and smell to the viewer. There are several types of augmented reality, including projection based AR, recognition based AR, location based AR, outlining AR, and superimposition based AR.